today I'm gonna be doing a little haul. My third one. Yes, I know I have a problem. Somebody please help me. I'm kind of sick, so I'm probably just gonna show y'all the stuff I got and list where I got it from on the screen, so I don't do a lot of talking. And these are my nails I have on right now that I actually did using glitters I got from NailSupplyGlamour. So yeah, it's this one. They're actually holding up pretty good. And I actually forgot to put my protein bond on these two nails, and they're still stuck on. And this one, I didn't build it correctly, so it's already fucking lifting. So I'm probably gonna do a new set Friday, and I'm gonna try to film it. Sorry if you can see my tripod. I'm struggling. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, so as you're about to see, this container is empty, and that's because I used it to make my own acrylics. For the colored one that you're about to see now, I used some Crayola chalk and Mia Secret White and the clear, mixed it, and all the glitters I've had for a long time. I think most of them or all of them are from Walmart, maybe some from Dollar Tree, and I just mixed them up with the clear acrylic. And all the containers are from Dollar Tree as well. Also, the green that I'm about to show you, I showed you a little practice nail I did using that acrylic and some butterflies. Okay, so right here I'm about to show you another practice finger I did using the rhinestones that I got from AliExpress and a flower I made. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!